Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Jack Kokko. He is the founder and CEO at AlphaSense. Jack, fantastic to have you on Floor Talk again.
Well, thanks for having me.
So let's talk about the company as a reminder to our audience.
Well, AlphaSense at its core is a market intelligence and search platform. Our AI search engine sits on top of thousands of previously fragmented sources of high-value business information, everything from equity research to company filings to earnings calls, news, and expert interviews. And what we really help our customers with is to have the right information at their fingertips when they're making critical business decisions. And really, if you think about it, for every company, their market value is the sum of the decisions that they make, and we help them optimize that.
So this week, AlphaSense announced that it's acquiring Tegus, which is an expert research platform. So tell me, how does this impact the AlphaSense client experience and expand your offering to the market?
Well, we're really excited about this acquisition. Tegus really pioneered this concept and business model of investor-led expert interviews, where they're facilitating investors interviewing thousands of experts every month that are in the trenches of almost every industry out there, and you're really getting to the insights that were really hard for investors to get insights on before. And they've created this vast searchable library of those transcripts. And what they've done really well is actually not just covered public companies, but they've also covered lots and lots of private companies. And that was an area where, for investors, it was really hard to get insights on before. In fact, that was the top request over the years from AlphaSense's customers. And so our platform has always been all about AI and search and finding the right insights across the broadest universe of business content. And Tegus now really adds a strong complementary layer to that. So we're really excited about the complementary nature of the products and also what we can build together with them.
Now, something else to be excited about, you also announced a massive financing round, $650 million at a $4 billion valuation. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So now tell me, what's next for AlphaSense? 2024 has already been a big year.
Well, we're really excited about what we're building in terms of our product roadmap. Lots of things happening there, but perhaps the most exciting piece is what we're doing with generative AI. If you think about an information platform like ours, that's probably the best fit for this technology that you can imagine. You have vast volumes of content, and by summarizing insights and helping users see what is a long-form document talking about before they have to read the whole thing, it really helps them cover more ground and be more efficient in where they go within the platform. And also, where it becomes really powerful is making the interface with the product more of a natural language experience, where you're not just putting in traditional search keys, but maybe you can ask a question. Like, let's say you want to understand what is AMD's AI chip strategy and how do they plan to compete with NVIDIA? In the past, you would have asked that from a human analyst, and they'd have to do a bit of work to get to the right answer on that. And now you can ask AlphaSense. Our assistant will look at all the thousands of most relevant sources of content for that. And instead of giving you a list of search results, it'll actually provide that list in a narrative format, and so giving you something you can read and understand, and then still click into the underlying sources of insights and data points. So you can just consume that much better and have a conversation with the system. So that's super exciting. And then we're also now extending that to internal content. So customers can apply that both to their all the thousands of external sources and their internal information that's often been very hard to navigate and search, and combining that all together in one seamless experience. So that's something we're really focused on and excited about. And then, of course, all the things we can build together with Tegus.
Well, exciting times ahead for AlphaSense. Jack, it's always wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me today.
Likewise. Thanks for having me.